Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cast your MacBook Air screen to your Vizio Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to show everyone a recent trip that's on your MacBook Air. How do you actually cast your MacBook Air screen to your Vizio Smart TV? Now, depending on which model of Vizio Smart TV that you have, the first thing that you want to do is that you want to make sure that AirPlay is turned on. So for me, AirPlay is already automatically turned on, but it might look different from you, but find the setting that allows you to turn AirPlay on. So then click on AirPlay. So once you've done that, you'd also want to make sure that your Vizio Smart TV is connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network as your MacBook Air, okay? So that's really key. You want to make sure that your MacBook Air has the same Wi-Fi network as your Vizio Smart TV. Because oftentimes, especially in homes where there's more than one Wi-Fi network, sometimes both devices might be connected to the two different Wi-Fis. Next, you want to click on System Settings, which is this button here. Click on Control Center. And then under Screen Mirroring, you want to make sure this is shown to Always Show in Menu Bar. So what that does, it gives you this screen mirroring icon right over here. You want to click on the screen mirroring icon and then find your Vizio Smart TV, which for me is this one here. So once you click on that, you just need to give it a couple of seconds or so. But now I'm able to cast my MacBook Air screen to my Vizio Smart TV. So you can see it now. I'm dragging it over and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cast your MacBook Air screen to your Vizio Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.